The Secrets of the Mediterranean Diet, a journey to healthier living. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that has gained worldwide attention for its health benefits, the Mediterranean diet. This eating pattern is more than just a diet. It's a lifestyle embraced by people living along the Mediterranean Sea. It's known for its rich flavors, diversity of ingredients, and numerous health benefits. Let's explore what makes the Mediterranean diet so special and why it might be a great choice for you. The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating based on the traditional cuisines of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Italy, Greece, and Spain. It emphasizes whole foods, fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats. Olive oil is a cornerstone, providing a healthy source of fat. The diet also includes moderate amounts of fish and poultry, with red meat and sweets consumed less frequently. Wine is enjoyed in moderation, often with meals. Fresh fruits and vegetables. A variety of fruits and vegetables form the foundation of the diet, offering vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These are eaten in abundance for their antioxidant properties. Whole grains. Whole grains are consumed in their natural form, providing essential nutrients and fiber. Think breads, pastas, and rice, but always whole grain. Healthy fats. Olive oil is the primary source of added fat, rich in monounsaturated fats, which are good for heart health. Nuts and seeds also contribute healthy fats and nutrients. Seafood. Fish and seafood are important, especially oily fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to heart and brain health. Moderate dairy and poultry. Cheese and yogurt are consumed regularly but in moderate quantities, as is poultry. Limited red meat and sweets. Red meat and sweets are enjoyed on occasion, not daily. Research shows that the Mediterranean diet can lead to longevity and a lower risk of various diseases. It's associated with a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It also may improve brain function and lead to better mental health. Adopting the Mediterranean diet involves more than just changing what you eat. It's about embracing a Mediterranean lifestyle. This includes eating meals with family and friends, being physically active, and taking the time to enjoy your meals. 1. Start with small changes. Swap out your cooking oil for olive oil. 2. Increase your intake of fruits and vegetables. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. 3. Choose whole grains over refined grains. 4. Incorporate fish into your meals twice a week. 5. Enjoy meals with others to embrace the social aspect of the diet. The Mediterranean diet offers a delicious and healthy way to eat and live. It's not just about the food on your plate but also about a lifestyle that values mealtime as a way to bring people together. We hope this video inspires you to explore the Mediterranean diet further and perhaps incorporate some of its principles into your own life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.